Hello everyone, welcome back to the ENG channel. In this video, we will show you how to get all your products data from Tokopedia to Odoo. There are two types of products, which are products with variants and products without variants. Watch this tutorial video to see how to successfully pull both types of product data from your Tokopedia shop to Odoo. Here I am in the front page of Odoo. I'm going to click on the Marketplace module and then click on Tokopedia, then one of my shops in Tokopedia. Right now, I'm at one of my shops in my Tokopedia account. You can see here when clicking on MP products that it is empty, meaning that there are no marketplace products from my Tokopedia shop. However, if you look at my shop in Tokopedia, there are a variety of products I'm already selling. There are products with variants and products without variants. So how exactly do you connect your Tokopedia products to Odoo? To connect your products, let's go back to your shop in Odoo. Here you'll see a button that says Get Products. Click on this button. Once it's done loading, click on the MP Products Smart button again, and now you can see that it isn't empty anymore, and the product data from Tokopedia has already been pulled to Odoo. If you want to see the product's details, click on one of the products, and you'll see various information about this product, such as the sales price, the internal reference, logistics, dimensions, description that your customer sees in your shop, images that you used, variants if there are any, and wholesales. The product that we're looking at right now has two variants. If we look back at the Tokopedia account and click on chocolate cookie, you'll see that this product indeed has two variants. In Odoo, you'll see the two variants here, each with their internal reference and their sales price. Next, I'm going to click back on Marketplace products and choose a product without variants, such as the Earl Grey cookies. When I go back to the Tokopedia Marketplace and search for Earl Grey cookies, I will see all of the information about this product in the Marketplace, which is the same as in Odoo. You can see here that the information is the same and there are no variants. And that is how to get products from your Tokopedia to Odoo. I hope this information is beneficial for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day!